Today, I'll tell you a magical story about a girl named Emma and a talking parrot who needed her help. Are you ready? Let's begin. One sunny morning, Emma was sitting by her bedroom window, drawing in her sketchbook. She loved drawing animals and birds. Suddenly, she heard a strange sound. Squawk! Squawk! Hello! Emma looked outside and saw a green parrot on the tree. She gasped. A parrot? Here? The parrot tilted his head and said, I'm lost. Can you help me? Emma smiled. Of course. Let's find your home. Emma put on her shoes and followed the parrot to the park. Near the pond, she asked the ducks, Excuse me, have you seen this parrot's home? The mother duck quacked. Not here, but I saw him flying near the big oak tree this morning. Thank you, Emma replied. She quickly drew the ducks in her notebook before moving on. Next, they arrived at the playground. Children were running, laughing, and playing on the swings. Emma asked, Have you seen a boy looking for his parrot? One girl pointed toward the town square. Yes, I saw a boy with an empty birdcage. He looked very worried. The parrot flapped his wings. That's my friend! On the way, Emma's stomach growled. The parrot laughed. Hungry? They stopped at the bakery. The sweet smell of fresh bread filled the air. Mrs. Baker handed Emma a warm bun. Here, dear. You look like you're on a mission. Emma nodded. I'm helping this parrot find his home. Mrs. Baker smiled. I saw a boy with a cage near the fountain. Hurry, you're close. Finally, Emma reached the town square. By the fountain, a boy sat sadly with an empty cage. The parrot shouted, Tom! Tom! And flew into the boy's arms. Polly! The boy cried. You're back! He looked at Emma with a big smile. Thank you for bringing him home. Emma replied. He's very clever. He asked me for help. Tom laughed. Yes, Polly talks a lot. Sometimes too much. As the sun began to set, Emma walked home. She was tired but happy. She had helped a lost parrot, made a new friend, and filled her sketchbook with drawings from the day. That night, as she lay in bed, Emma whispered, Sometimes the biggest adventures start with the smallest voices, like a parrot saying hello. And she drifted off to sleep, dreaming of more magical adventures. Thank you for listening to the story of Emma and the Lost Parrot. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to join me next time for another magical story.